Hey everyone, it's Nurse Sarah, and in this video I'm going to do a quick review over Piskacek sign. So let's get started. Piskacek sign, which was named after Dr. Ludwig Piskacek, it occurs around 7 weeks of pregnancy. Now what it is uterine enlargement on that side of implantation. So what you're going to note is this asymmetrical swelling on the side where the embryo implanted, and it can be noted during a bimanual pelvic exam. This sign is considered a probable sign of pregnancy. Its presence suggests that a patient may be pregnant, but it's not definitive, as similar changes can occur in other conditions. Confirmation of the pregnancy requires additional testing, such as a pregnancy test to detect the hormone HCG and ultrasound, which provides positive evidence of pregnancy. Okay, so that wraps up this review. Now, if you would like some more sources to help you prep for your maternity exams, I have this study guide that you can get in digital format at nursesarah.com or a paperback version like this one at amazon.com.